Wondering what's the best billing and invoicing software? Then this video is for you. During the past few months, our experts have tried and tested pretty much every billing and invoicing software available on the market these days, including Freshbooks, Quickbooks, Zoho Books, Xero, and Invoicely, just to name a few. And in this video, we will do a comprehensive review of 5 of the most trusted and reliable billing and invoicing software that performed exceptionally well during our testing. Also, to help you select the right one, we will share some important tips and practices that almost 95% business owners ignore, and they end up choosing the wrong service. But keep in mind that these tips will only be revealed to our loyal audience, which means those who stay with us till the end. On a related note, whichever service you choose, don't forget to buy it using the official link we have added in the description section down below. These links have special discounts already applied to them, so you will get best deal and save a lot of money. Now let's begin. Invoicing is an essential yet time-consuming business activity, but the right invoicing software can help you take control and win back some of your valuable time. It can also lead to improved invoice accuracy, valuable financial insights, and faster payments, all of which can benefit your business. So now that you know the benefits, it's time to check out some of the best billing and invoicing software the internet has to offer. Okay, so based on our findings, the highest-rated provider on our list is Freshbooks. Many know Freshbooks as accounting software, but you would be surprised to know that it started out as an invoicing-only software that expanded into a full accounting solution. The company never lost sight of its invoice-based beginnings, and as a result, it offers some of the highest quality professional invoices you can ever find. Freshbooks makes invoicing and billing easy. With simple-to-make and edit templates and a raft of features, Freshbooks ensures the invoicing process is streamlined and effective for a range of business models. And I swear, out of all the billing and invoicing software, Freshbooks has the best-looking and more customizable invoices I have ever used. You can choose from various customizable designs, set up recurring digital invoices, easily include discounts, and get instant updates when invoices have been viewed or paid online. All these features are available on the mobile app too. Moreover, managing payments is flexible as you can settle accounts with Visa, MasterCard, or American Express for credit card processing, or use PayPal for online payments. It also offers multi-currency invoicing to enable you to bill customers in local currency. The credit card processing fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, which is standard in the industry. From my personal experience, I can say Freshbooks is truly a joy to use. It helps keep my estimation and billing running smoothly and makes it easy to process payments, and gives a lot of options to allow my clients to pay me in the way that works best for them. In addition to invoicing, you also get access to time and expense tracking, project management, payments, and reporting. And there's an especially handy feature that allows you to connect to your bank account to import the data for easier expense management. I mean, how cool is just that? And since integration streamlines your workflows and processes, Freshbooks wins on this front as well. It has native integrations with dozens of other software programs, including payroll, inventory, and e-commerce software. And the best part, everything is stored online in the cloud, so you can access your saved data using any device you may have: desktop, mobile, or tablet. Well, talking about the pricing, Freshbooks starts out at a fairly reasonable $15 per month, but that base plan limits you to invoicing just 5 clients a month, though you can send those 5 clients unlimited invoices. It is ideal for professionals with basic accounting and invoicing needs, whereas businesses with more than 5 clients a month will need the $30 a month plus plan, which is the most popular yet my highly recommended plan. Its highest tier is for $55 per month for unlimited clients and additional customization features. Moreover, a select plan is available for businesses with more complex needs that require a custom solution. But at the end of the day, it all depends on you which plan you choose that suits your needs. The great thing about Freshbooks is that it offers a 30-day free trial so you can test the service without spending a single penny. Now an important question: for whom this software is a perfect fit? Okay, since Freshbooks has all the bells and whistles that you could possibly expect from a full-featured invoicing software, it is overall best for all types of business people, including freelancers, self-employed professionals, and small businesses. Now it's a time for a piece of good news for you. The legendary marketer viewer, which is you by the way, can enjoy a special 50% discount on Freshbooks for up to 4 months. All you have to do is click the official link we have added in the description section of this video, and this discount will be automatically applied, bringing the price to an incredibly reasonable amount. But this VIP sale may end soon, so hurry up, and thank me later for the discount. Just kidding. By the way, before we move forward, how about hitting a like button on this video? That's the only thing we ask from you in return. Let's see if we can get 500 likes on this video. Square Invoices. Since 2009, Square has become a mainstay for small business owners who need simple and streamlined payment processing. Their simplified approach to payment processing is mimicked in their invoicing services, which makes Square the perfect option for business owners looking for software that can do both. I love it because it tells you exactly what to put and everything is clearly labeled. Square Invoice lets users create and send customized invoices, schedule recurring billing, and track the status of an invoice in real time. Its one-click payments make it easier for customers to pay online from their phone or tablet, and because they're so fast and easy, over 75% of Square invoices are paid within a day. While many other invoicing apps require a monthly payment, Square Invoice has a free plan which allows you to send unlimited invoices and schedule recurring invoices, estimates, contracts, and more for free. You're only charged when an invoice is paid. You can accept payment through the program for a very minimal fee compared to most sites. Whereas, it has a plus plan for $20 monthly for growing businesses that want to streamline work and billing needs with advanced time-saving features. Now, if you ask for my advice, I think that the platform can be used by any merchant needing to accept remote payments, including retailers with a wholesale, service-based businesses, and restaurants offering catering services. Check out the links we have added in the description section of this video to get a special discount on Square Invoices. Moving on, taking the third position is Quickbooks. From income and expenses to time and taxes, QuickBooks Online lets you track all your financial information in one place. Designed for freelancers, independent contractors, and sole proprietors, the software connects to your financial accounts and imports transactions, tracks mileage, creates and sends invoices, and estimates quarterly taxes. In addition, the site's excellent companion apps could serve many of today's mobile entrepreneurs who tend to live on their phones well. Like other Intuit financial applications, Intuit QuickBooks uses an easily understandable navigation system and offers an exceptional user experience. It's almost fun to use. The interface is consistent across desktop and mobile platforms too, so it's an attractive choice if you want this kind of interoperability. But one of the limitations is that there is no built-in client portal. You have to find an app that integrates with QuickBooks Online to give clients access to projects and invoices, or just email invoices. Its plans range from $25 to $180 per month. I know that's pretty much on the expensive side, but you will pay a monthly fee to get access to tons of accounting and invoicing features, plus updates and customer support. However, while you can only get QuickBooks payments with an existing QuickBooks Online subscription, its transaction fees are notably affordable. Swipe fees are just 2.4% plus 25 cents, cheaper than any other provider on our list. There's a catch, of course. Isn't there always? The fee climbs depending on the type of payment you're accepting. Most importantly, transaction fees are higher for bills paid through invoices. At this point, if you think that QuickBooks will suit your need, don't forget to use the link we have added in the description box down below to avail maximum discount on your purchase. Next up, we have our fourth pick known as Zoho Books. Zoho offers a wide range of business services designed to help users with everything from sales and marketing to finances. Zoho Invoice, which is a standalone invoicing application, offers customizable invoicing and payment services. It is a simple online software that covers all the basics: create and send invoices, set up automatic recurring invoices, track expenses, sync bank accounts, create reports, accept online payments in a simple, fast, and convenient way, and do accounting on the go on all devices. Even your clients can access a password-protected portal where they can see their estimates, payment history, and receipts. And as integration is one of the essential features, Zoho integrates with several products like QuickBooks Online, Stripe, Slack, Office 365, and G Suite. But I've observed that Zoho Invoice integrations may be limiting for some small businesses. And when it comes to cost, businesses can access Zoho Invoices features for free, but invoices are capped at $1,000 per year. And since payments accepted through Zoho Invoice are made through third-party apps like PayPal, Stripe, and Square, transaction fees vary based on the terms of your selected payment gateway. And what's interesting about this tool is that this software doesn't require an accountant or accounting knowledge to measure and analyze financial metrics because, for a quick real-time view of the health of your business, a glance at the dashboard would suffice. Definitely good for people starting out in small businesses that don't have a lot of clients. The price point is low for starting out, usually a lot less than other software I've seen and used. Now, if you feel Zoho Invoice is just right for you, you can enjoy a special discount by using the link we have added in the description box down below. Finally, taking the last and fifth position on our list is Xero. Xero began its life in New Zealand, but it has grown rapidly since it entered the US market several years ago. Its bunch of incredibly useful invoicing features make it earn its place on our list. Built for the web from the ground up, it supports every major financial element you would expect in a double-entry small business accounting solution like sales, purchases, bills and expenses, inventory, and payroll. With Xero, you can bulk invoice customers. That saves you a lot of time. It has super easy invoicing. You can create professional custom-designed invoices, set up repeating invoices, automate invoice payment reminders, and can accept payments online with a debit or credit card, or with PayPal, right from the invoice to keep cash flowing. Apart from essential invoicing and billing, Xero also prides itself on its security and reliability. And when it comes to pricing, Xero offers 3 pricing levels that kick in after a 30-day free trial. It's early for $12 per month and has monthly limits of 20 invoices and quotes, 5 bills, and unlimited reconciliation of bank transactions. And its highest tier is Established, which costs $65 per month that comes with multiple currency support along with project support and 0 expenses. So that's it from our list of 5 best invoicing software. Now for our lovely audience who are waiting to know the practices that you need to look for in an invoicing software and the companies don't share with you. Here you go. Tip number 1 is the ease of use. Look, creating an invoice should only take a few clicks and not hours, so no matter which invoicing software you choose, make sure it's not complex and everything must be very easy to navigate. Tip number 2 is security. Needless to say, your data and bank information are sorts of confidential information, so always look for a provider that is trustworthy and holds a good brand reputation. And yes, never trust free providers, because a free invoice software will be turning its profit in one way or another, usually by selling your data to third parties. So you should always look for premium software. And finally, the third tip that I want to conclude is that not all invoice softwares are created equal, as you must have heard that different things suit different people. Exactly the same in this case. Each invoicing and billing software has its own targeted customers, so one software that suits my needs may not work out for you, and this is how it is. So choose the one that can fulfill your requirements. But in my opinion, there are 2 softwares that you cannot go wrong signing up with. The first one is Freshbooks, because it's the grandpas of all the invoicing and billing software, holding a good brand reputation from the past few decades, and it's the best among all the softwares that I have personally used. And just in case if you have any issue with Freshbooks, then the second one I prefer is Zoho Invoices, due to its extensive customizability and affordability. So these are our 2 best invoicing and billing software recommendations. Now, which software is your pick and why? Tell us in the comment section down below. And just to remind you, we have added discounted links to all these providers in the description section down below. So use these links and enjoy up to 70% off on your favorite invoicing software. Please like this video if you haven't already, and subscribe to our channel to get more amazing content in the future. We will catch you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching!